This question is about projectile motion, and you see that a ball, which according to the question is thrown at an angle alpha. So let's assume this is a instantaneous velocity, initial instantaneous velocity, which according to the question is v0. All right. So when you will throw in absence of a resistance, so what will be its trajectory? So it will follow this trajectory, this parabolic path. So this is a moment when it will reach the maximum height. And according to the question, this height is h. So in this question, they say that which of the following best describes the dependence of v and alpha. Okay, now what is v? The v is the velocity at the maximum height, which is clearly stated here that at some constant height above the launch point, the speed v is as a function of alpha. All right, so I will tell you that how the v is linked with alpha. But let's come towards the breaking down of velocity vector into its components, or let's resolve this vector v0 into its components. So this is a one component that we can say, okay, so according to our rectangular coordinate system, this must be the x component of velocity if this is our x-axis, and this angle is alpha. And this must be the y component of velocity. So what is the x component of velocity? This is v0 cos alpha. All right. And what is a y component? That is v0 sine alpha. So as it is free fall motion in which acceleration in a y-axis is equal to a constant negative g, which means that the ball will decelerate as it is going up. So as it is going up, the y component of velocity is decreasing, but x component will be unaffected as long as you consider that there is no air resistance. Because when we say there is a no force along x-axis, so which simply means that there is a no acceleration due to this force in the x direction. And no acceleration means that there is a no change in velocity, and that means the velocity is constant. So throughout the trajectory, this velocity will remain the same value at all the points and even before hitting the ground. So the maximum height is of no exception. It will be the same. What is the value? V0 cos alpha. So this V0 cos alpha is called in our question V. So you can see that how the V is linked with the cos alpha. So that is V0 cos alpha. So how the V will so what should be the right answer? V will increase monotonically? No. V will increase to some critical value, and in fact I have told you that V will remain constant independent of alpha because this is a horizontal component of velocity. So our right answer should be option C.